Today we will do this sum from one book of Algebra Hall and Night, called Algebra Hall and Night for our secondary schools. So this is a very good substitution sum where the values are given and you just have to substitute and find out. So if A is 7, B is 5, C is 1 and X is 3, find ACX by 25B cubed. So just if no signs are there, it means just multiplication. So you have to just do very carefully, very easy sum. A की जगह 7 बैठाओ, C की जगह 1 बैठाओ, X की जगह 3 बैठाओ और 25 B cube. B cube means B into B into B. So you have to multiply B 3 times. So it is 5 into 5 into 5. Just solve 7 into 1 into 3 is 21. And 25 into 5 into 5 is 25, and again 25 into 25 is 625, so 625 into 5 is 3125. So 21 upon 3125 is 6. Look at it very carefully. Very easy.